Today is Monday, February 5, 2024. This is a noise meter close to our home, and that's the oil rig. That's the noise we have, around 50 dBA measured with our phone. They were supposed to start drilling January 31, 2024. It was delayed. It was supposed to start Sunday morning. It was delayed again. Looks like they installed some noise barrier or something. But we want to show the noise we have now. We heard all night, we heard the noise in our bed, in our bedroom. We heard the noise. We can hear the noise, and for us, this is already excessive noise. We are stressed out, and we want to record the noise, what you can hear with the phone, before starting drilling. We assume that they didn't start drilling yet. It looks like they're moving a panel there. We have these trucks coming in and out all day, and we have this engine noise all day long and all night, 24 hours. We can't get out of it.